Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Maggi ramen at home, the only way. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Maggi noodles, 1.5 cups of water, and any vegetables you like, such as a 1/4 cup of chopped carrots or peas. You will also need a small saucepan, a stirring spoon, and a serving bowl. Now, let's start cooking. Pour 1.5 cups of water into your saucepan and place it on medium-high heat. Bring the water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once boiling, carefully add the Maggi noodle cake. You can gently break it into smaller pieces if you prefer. Let the noodles cook for approximately 2 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly. Next, it's time to add that signature Maggi flavor. Open the Taste Maker sachet and stir its entire contents into the noodles and water. Make sure the spices are evenly distributed. Now, add your chosen vegetables, like a 1/4 cup of chopped carrots or peas, and let them cook for about 1 minute. Continue stirring gently until the noodles are perfectly tender and the broth has thickened to your liking. Your perfect homemade Maggi ramen is now ready. Carefully transfer the hot noodles and broth into your serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves or a sprinkle of finely chopped spring onions. Serve and enjoy your delicious, warm Maggi ramen immediately. It's a quick and satisfying meal that's always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.